Hey guys, hope you're having a good day. So now I'm gonna show you how to decrease the size of a video without losing much quality. So it's actually something really easy. So let's get to it and not waste your time. For doing this, you're gonna need this software, Handbrake. It's free. You can just download it. Just type in Google, download Handbrake, and then you can download it. It's free, so you won't have any problem with that. And yeah, so we just open this software. Okay, and then you can choose or drag and drop your file in here. I already downloaded a raw footage from internet, so I'm gonna use this one and decrease the size of this one. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how much is the size of this video. It's MP4, it's 226 megabyte. So yeah, this video is 226 megabyte, and now we're gonna decrease the size of it. So in here it's just a summary of what the video is, the format. It's MP4. We're gonna keep it on MP4, and now in here you can see some general information. It doesn't matter, and you can see it's 22 minutes long, so it's quite long. And in here, in press. So in press, there is actually a quick way to just decrease the size. So the faster you choose the pressed, the lower the size will be. So like you see, very fast and then high quality, which is slower. So it's gonna somehow encode the video in a slower speed. As I said, the faster, the lower the quality, but not like fast 1080p. Like if you want the lowest quality, then you should use very fast 480p. But what I do is that I put it on very fast, and then I go in here and change some of the settings by myself so I can decrease the size more. So in here, dimensions, you do not touch anything in here. It's the dimensions and ratio of the file. We should not touch that. In filters, just come to filters and make sure that all of these are off, because any of these filters will take space when you turn them on. Use a filter on your video. Then we go to video. Don't touch this. The frame rate at 30 is good. If it's higher on your video, then you can decrease it to 30. Usually 30 is good. You can decrease it more, but then the quality will like drop so much. So I think 30 is good. And put it on peak frame rate, so the peak is 30, not the whole video. Some parts that are not necessary will be lower than 30, which is good. And again, in here, encoder pressed, which is kind of the same. Here is on very fast because we choose here very fast. Very fast is good. And don't touch these. Don't touch encoder tune. Don't touch encoder profile. You don't need to click this. It's already here on pressed. It's on very fast. And in constant quality, that's why I said that I don't just choose this. I also come here and put the constant quality on around like 24, or even you can choose 25, but 24 is good for this one. So yeah, and then I also go to audio part and change the bitrate from 160 to 128. You can also decrease it more, but I think that 128 is gonna do the job. You don't need to change anything else in here. You can leave it on a stereo, it's fine. And you go to subtitles and chapters, and you should not change anything in here. I always go here whenever I'm doing my job. It's because I'm sick. It's like a sickness that I should always check these, but there's nothing here for you. So yeah, and then we can choose in here. You can choose the direction that the file will be saved at. So let me just save it on desktop on a new folder. Okay, click save, and when you're done with the settings and stuff, you can press start encode, and then it's gonna start encode. So I'll let you know, and we'll check the video when it's finished encoding. So yeah, as you can see, here's everything finished. It's done. And there's also this option that you can choose. For example, if you have a really long video, like this one was 22 minutes, it wasn't so long, but if you have like a 3 hour long video and you just want to go to sleep and something like that, you can just select the action you want to happen for your computer from here. Like you can choose shut down, and when it's done, then your computer will just be turned off. And yeah, it actually, even though it was 22 minutes, it took a long time. I watched a couple of YouTube videos while this was on. So yeah, you can just close this. This is over. Here now in the new folder, we're gonna see the difference. I didn't actually check before I start resume recording. So here, yeah, 115 megabytes, while the original video was how much? 226 megabytes. So somehow like half. It's like half of it. So now, just to make sure, let's compare the qualities. So first, I'm gonna play the original video. Turn down the sound.
And speed.
Okay, let's see some actions. Yeah, you can see.
Go.
And you can hear the audio.
More like that. No,
And speed.
C1, take 4.
Okay, now let's compare to this one. Let's see how much the quality decreased.
And speed.
Okay. Ready, everybody? And
Okay.
action. Up.
Yeah, you can see it's worth it. It's like
Go.
half the size, but the quality is not much different.
And cutting.
One more like that. No, we got.
And
Yeah, it is really worth it, especially if you have a much longer video with higher size. Like you can turn a 3 gigabyte video into 1.5 gigabyte with this method, and you saw that the quality was not. It is different, but really it's nothing compared to the side that we just decreased. So yeah, this was it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please give this video a thumbs up, and of course, if you wanna see more of these stuff, please subscribe. It was my first video, so I'm really sorry if I was bad in it, but yeah, I'll try to get better. And please give this a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you want to hear more, as I said, please subscribe. It's gonna help me a lot, and I'd be happy. So have a good time, and I hope that this was helpful for you. Thank you.